Hello everyone. Let me show you the trades taken last week using my system, creative trading system, to take these trades. So let's get started. The week started on the 7th November the 7th. This is the first trade is GU for 190 pip. You can see the entry with this yellow mark. All my trades are like that according to this setup. So this is GU for 190. This is GA for 100 pip. Buy order. Another one the same day, GA for 70 pip. Here you see for, on the 8th, sell order for 100 pip. On the 8th, AU going to the upside, long buy order for 100 pip. And on the 9th, GJ for 160 pip. This is the sell order here. And this another one on the same day, on the 9th, GJ for another 80 pip. On the 9th, AU long side 85 pip, and then GU on the 9th, sell order here. This is the place of order at the setup, and went down for 110 pip. On the 9th, UC sell order here for 65. EA again on the 10th. This is the sell order for 120 pip, and this is on the 10th. AU buy order right there, and it is for 100 pip. And on the 10th, AJ sell order for 85 pip. And here EJ on the 10th, you can see the trades. The trades are alive at the time of taking these pictures, recording these charts. So you can see the trade, and the SL is moved to break even plus. So this is short for 150 pip EJ on the 10th. And on the 10th, UC for 65 pip sell order here. On the 11th, UJ sell order for 180 pip. I shrink the candles because the whole thing was not coming on the on the page. And the last but not the least is GU on the 11th, buy order for 95. So these are the trades. Of course, I had some SL hit around like 200 pip, right? But when you make 1,000 pip and then 200 negative, doesn't mean anything. So this is how the system works. A lot of trades, a lot of pips. So if you like what you saw, you want to get the system, you want to be a part of it, part of my group. By the way, I have this here. There's this Telegram, right, where I post my entries and possible upcoming setups, like you see making a long market is this after this, all of that, and the charts and the analysis, all of that, and on my Telegram as well. So if you like what you saw, go on my website here and subscribe. And I also have this one-on-one coaching course here. If you are in need of learning the whole thing, for example, like Elliott wave, harmonic patterns, this system, and SNR levels, and how to do the trend line properly, how to use the Fibonacci, all of that. So you can join this one-on-one and start learning. And if you already know all of that and you just need the system, then you subscribe monthly subscription, and you get all my charts with analysis and everything. And you would be able to attend my webinars twice a week, where I explain upcoming setups and analysis. Okay, so this is what it is. If you like, you can just subscribe from here, and you have different options. Once you subscribe, just you press this button, subscribe. All right. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and hope to see you in my webinars.